Girls love creepy guys, right? Absolutely not. And in these modern times, the sensitivity to creepiness is at an all-time high. So please, gentlemen, pay close attention and refrain from doing any of these creepy behaviors. The last thing you want to do is be on the creepy list. Let's get into it. Behavior number 1, heavy staring. I know what you're thinking. She's beautiful, she is 100% eye candy, and I cannot control myself. First of all, this is okay to marvel at her, but if you do stare and get caught, go ahead and introduce yourself and tell her you wanted to compliment her on her beauty. This is way better than staring and leaving her wondering why you were staring. She's probably freaked out thinking you might be a serial killer. Last time we checked, most women didn't find serial killers attractive. The best thing you can do is let her know you're not staring and plan to follow her home, but rather to provide a genuine compliment. If you get stuck, you can even say, "Did we go to college together? I thought you were that cute girl that used to ride her bicycle to all her classes." Behavior number 2, sliding in her DMs. Get her social media handle and then contact her through there. Never get her contact through a friend or by stalking her social media. This simply doesn't work these days. No matter how impeccable your stalking skills are. Only contact her once you have her actual permission to be friends on social media. From here you can contact her and hope she responds. If she does not respond, simply move on. If her response is short and doesn't volley the conversation to you, simply stop and move on. If she responds nicely, tell her you were intrigued by her and that you want to go for some dessert and want to get to know her more. Behavior number 3, inappropriate comments. Women are very used to getting comments these days. Whether in real life or online, there is no shortage of compliments, especially when the cowards throw it at her behind their computer screen. Don't comment on her body. The only time you can comment on her body is once you've become sensually intimate with her. Just don't do it. Don't comment her on her clothing either. This is just another way of complimenting her body without complimenting her body. Girls get insecure about this. The only time you can compliment her clothing if she is truly wearing something remarkable. By all means, go for it. Women would rather be complimented on a skill or talent that they worked hard for. Behavior number 4, not taking no for an answer. Whatever it is that you are asking of a girl, if she says no, take her word for it. There's no reason to pursue her any further. The faster you get a no, the faster you can move on to the next woman. Don't be mad either, and don't be a hater. Just understand that she's vibing at a lower frequency than you, and she's waiting for the right loser to come along. Behavior number 5, uncomfortable physical contact. Never touch a woman until she touches you first. This is a good rule of thumb. Physical touch is the first telltale sign that they are somewhat interested. From there, go for baby steps. The shoulder is always the least threatening. If she responds well, you can try gently placing your hand on her lower back. Nothing below the waist. If she responds well, you can go for the leg, but not too high. If she lets you touch her knee, you can basically hold her hand. Once you hold hands, it's game over, you win. If you want to learn how to get to this point in the first place, make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the videos. Behavior number 6. Pressure for sex. I'm sure I don't have to mention this, but I must. Never pursue a girl intimately, even with the slightest hint she feels uncomfortable. Sometimes you might get as far as bring her home and even in bed, or her bed. This is usually a good sign, but it doesn't necessarily mean she wants to have sex. If she's not begging for it, don't even do it. Remember, you are the ultimate man, she begs, not you. Behavior number 7, being too needy. You might meet a woman at a party and she might show some interest in you. If she's having a good time with her friends, let her have it. Don't intrude. Don't be a clingy boy. Find a nice opening and simply talk to her then. If she continues to chat with her friends, don't keep butting in. This is creepy. You might feel that you don't want her to slip away, which is why it's very important to get her number or social media contact as soon as you talk to her. There it is. 7 behaviors that will make you creepy according to women. If you found this to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with your creepy friends to make them less creepy. Save this video to refer back to from time to time in case you start getting creepy again. If you would like to add to our list of creepy behaviors, go ahead and leave it in the comments.